Have you ever been excited to order custom t-shirts online, only to be let down by poor quality, late deliveries, and designs that barely resemble what you pictured? It's frustrating when something arrives at your doorstep. It's a far cry from what you envisioned, turning your excitement into disappointment. But imagine where every t-shirt you order matches your expectations. Vibrant colors, sharp designs, and quality that lasts wash after wash. Let's dive into Gelato's print-on-demand service, where we put their promise of quality and efficiency to the test with 4 unique t-shirts. Stick around to the end of this video to discover if Gelato truly delivers on their promise, transforming your custom t-shirt experiences from letdowns to delight. Give this video a thumbs up and let's get into the content. Now, if you're unaware what Gelato Print on Demand is, it's a service where they basically help you print and ship the product and you just focus on the design, okay? Now, this is a print on demand service, so you'll be integrating this service with, Etsy, Shopify, and it shows they start selling right here. There's a integration right here. Etsy, Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, Squarespace, and BigCommerce. Okay, so they integrate with all those, and also you can also just do like some local merch. If you have any local customers that you'll be printing shirts for, you can leverage that, have them order on your website, your own personal website, and have it shipped to them. So that's one way you can do some stuff like that. But not only that, they ship pretty much worldwide, right? Which is amazing. So, and the products that they have, it's from literally from anything apparel, sweatshirts, t-shirts, hoodies, calendars, wall art, phone cases, mugs, cards, tote bags, and photo books. Okay, so it's a really, really awesome print-on-demand service. I've been testing out a ton of products from them and shipping them to different people, different customers, and ordering some stuff myself. So down below in the description, I'm gonna have my link for a 50% off your first order, right? Which is amazing. If you have a design, you can put it on Gelato, come over here to the website, upload your design to a t-shirt, and they'll print and ship it to you, and you get 50% off your first order. Get an idea of how the process works, and then, you can either start selling on those platforms, or if you're already selling on those platforms, I would definitely give them a shot because, the printing, the shipping, all that stuff is pretty fast. All right, so I'm gonna go over everything, all the t-shirts that I ordered in this video to give you an idea, the breakdown and the shipping and all that stuff, to give you a better insight to help you, right? So, right here is a premium unisex crew neck t-shirt. This is the extra large dark gray. This is the Bella Canvas, okay, 3001, and we'll go over that one. I'll show you exactly what product that is. And then we come down right here. This is the Gildan 2000. It's ultra cotton unisex crew neck t-shirt. The price on this one was $11.41, $13.41, and then if you look right here, click this little button right here that gives you the event history. So I ordered the item, so February 22nd, and then if you look at the whole breakdown, it was everything, started the whole process, it was printed and everything on the 24th, so it took about like a day and a half. I won't consider that a whole 2 days, right? And which is cool because they started packing and getting the whole order ready right there. And then we look at this one too. You can see that this one took a little bit more time. It started the whole process. The item was printed. It says on the 28th right there, right? So this one was done before this one. And then if we come down right here, you're gonna see right here, it was delivered on March 6th. Okay, so I got these 2 items on March 6th. Okay, so you can see the kind of get idea, the whole process, get an understanding of that. And then if we come over here to t-shirts, you're gonna see over here Gelato's pick. This is the one right here, which is this one right here, the premium unisex crew neck t-shirt. It's this one. There's a ton of stuff that you can do with this one. You look at all the colors that they have available, embroidery available. If you click on it, so let me go ahead and click on this real fast to give you an idea. And the different types of brands of t-shirts too. So let me come back real fast. You can see there's tank tops. There's a ton of different categories, right, that you can choose from. But look at all the different brands of t-shirts that you can come in here and look at. And the reason why I'm doing this video, I wanted to order more than one t-shirt, different brand t-shirts, so you can get an idea of, okay, this is what this t-shirt looks like, and this is how the print is, and this is what it looks, you know what I mean? So we'll get into that too. I'm gonna share exactly what each individual t-shirt looks like. So I have the premium unisex crew neck t-shirt. Let's go ahead and click on that. And you can come in here and say that dark gray, extra large, right? Come in here and then you pick your style, pick your size. You can do direct to garment or embroidery. It's up to you, whatever you want to do. And you look at the delivery, you can see how the delivery can deliver to pretty much, yeah, there's a ton of countries in here that you can deliver it to, but United States. And say you want to start your design. It goes also to description, gives you all the pricing breakdown, everything here, okay? So product, the region, all that stuff right there. That's crazy. Produced in 12 different countries, right? So you can kind of get more information and get an idea. The sizing chart, everything's right here, okay? There's so much good information right here, okay, if you're gonna look at that. But then start designing, And let me show you that. So you can just, it's how easy it is, okay? So if you have a design, okay, if you have a design already, literally just, I would grab a design. So let's say we have this bulldog right here, right? You see this design right here? Let's say if I want to, you know, you can resize it however you want, and then literally it's like this little box right here, little box, and you just size it however you want it, wherever you want it to be placed at on the t-shirt, you can do that, but make sure it's inside of the print box, right? That's the main goal. You just want to make sure it's there, okay? Pretty cool. You can do back, and there's a few different locations that you can do on the t-shirt, and then you can go into add to order and go do the whole process, right? Which is really cool. There's all kinds of stuff right on the left-hand side that you can do, layers, everything that's can be done right back here. So let's go back over here, leave this page, go back one more time, and then the next one that I ordered right there was right here, the Ultra Cotton Unisex Crewneck T-shirt, Gildan 2000. Same exact thing over here, fulfilled in 2 countries, and gives you the price point there. So, which is this one right here. All right, the next order too as well, organic unisex crewneck t-shirt. So I was interested, I'm curious to like organic, okay, organic t-shirt, that's pretty cool. Okay, that's something that's a newer item for me personally. Event history, and you went in 2XL, navy, okay, front print, and event. So the 22nd, okay, I ordered that right there. It was printed and shipped, or printed on the 26th, and I got this product, it was delivered on the 2nd. So this one was a little bit faster than the other ones, but it's still good timing with this one. Okay, it's organic. I think it's something like that, like an organic t-shirt, unisex. It was going to be take a little bit more time to, you know, obviously the print and for it to dry, but hey, I got it, you know. I ordered this one right here for my grandpa. It's a cool t-shirt. We'll actually check that out too as well. So if we come down here, it's this one right here, the organic unisex crew neck, right? And you see the navy, you see the black, you can see the charcoal, you can see the white. And you can see it's fulfilled in 6 different countries, and you can see the price point right there, $14.38. Now this one is a classic women's crew neck t-shirt, okay, large dark heather, and this one was $9.52, okay, and it's gonna say dog mom on that one, but let's look at the event history. You can see I ordered on the 25th, printed on the 27th, and then it was delivered on the 2nd. This one's pretty good, right? Pretty fast with this delivery right here, which is pretty cool. That right there, the print, I did this one actually on an embroidery sweatshirt too. So I had it embroidered on a sweatshirt, which came out really nice, okay, with the red and the white. And if we come over here to the product catalog, now I was in the men's category, now I'm in the women's category. I'm gonna go ahead and click on this t-shirts. Now here it is right here. Okay, this is the Gildan 64,000L, and this is one of the best sellers. So if I click on this one right here, well, if you see all the different colors right here, I won't click on that one because you got the idea of how you would do the same thing. Every single t-shirt style here, if you come over here and click on it, it's going to, you know, you can upload your design to any one of these. But yeah, that's the style right here. And next, I actually want to look at the prints and look at the fits and see how everything fits. Some of the sizes are a little bit, you know, some are extra large, some are 2XL, some are a medium, and just give you an idea of how the t-shirts would fit. And actually, I have a t-shirt where I did a whole process of ordering that t-shirt too and did a review on it, but I watched it already about 4 or 5 times, and we're gonna be talking about that in this video, so make sure you stay to the end of this video. If you're getting any value out of this, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. If you wanna get 50% off your first order from Gelato, use my link down below in the description. All right, the first t-shirt is going to be a Bella Canvas 3001, and this is the dark gray, okay? On the t-shirt design, it's gonna say Black History, honoring the past, inspiring the future. There's a few different colors going on. You basically have a book that's opened up with a tree, okay? With a tree kind of like growing, and it's a pretty cool design, a really awesome design. The print came out pretty dang good on this thing, okay? If you look at that. That thing came out really, really good. This is an extra large, nice print. Everything's good on this one. The next t-shirt is going to be a Metro Blue. This is the Gildan Extra Cotton 2000. It's for luck. You got a rabbit holding a human foot as a keychain. You know, it's like kind of like working the other way around. You know how some people carry a rabbit's foot on their keychain for good luck? It's working the opposite way now. And this is a medium size, and it's that Metro Blue. This is cool because the rabbit it's pretty detailed. The rabbit's really detailed, right? See that? But the print is pretty dang good. It's for luck. This is the organic unisex t-shirt. This is a 2XL. This one, it feels a little bit heavier than the other ones, and it says needs more garlic. The color is navy on this one. A really nice shirt. Yeah, this is nice. This feels a little bit more, it's like a heavier t-shirt compared to the other two, right? Obviously those other two are two different brands, but when it comes to this one just has a little bit of thickness to it, right? And needs more garlic. This one right here I got for my grandpa. He's always saying something when it comes to the food, what it needs more of, and I'm pretty sure he said this phrase a few times, but needs more garlic. If you see the detail on the actual garlic, the face of it, right? The print is pretty good with this one too as well. This one's a 2XL. And the brand on this one is a Stanley Stell, and it says Eat Conscious, okay? This is 100% organic cotton. The blue, the Metro Blue was 100% cotton. And then the Bella Canvas right here is 100% cotton too as well, okay? So these two are 100% cotton. And then this one right here is the organic cotton. So this one is definitely a little bit more heavier, the organic one, compared to these two. But also this is a 2X, right? And this one's extra large. And then this one is a medium. And this one next is Dog Mom, okay? This is a classic women's crew neck, Gildan 64,000 L. And it's the red with the dog paws and a heart, and then just Dog Mom. The color on this one is a dark heather. This is a large size, and this one is 65% polyester and 35% cotton. So I'm assuming this one's gonna have a little bit more of a stretch. It feels really light, okay? Nothing too heavy about this one, just a nice blend. And if you can see, you can kind of see through it just a tiny bit as far as looking at the cotton. Like I can see through that right there as I'm talking to the camera. So give you an idea. Now let's go ahead and try each one of these on so you can get an idea of how they fit, get a little test fit going. And you're gonna see two different people, myself and another person, trying the t-shirts on to give you an idea to see how they fit and give you as the viewer that insight to help you understand everything. So I'll give you an idea. This is the Bella Canvas, right? This is the extra large. Usually this is the size that I would wear, okay? Now, with these type of shirts, they do stretch a bit. This is the Black History shirt, so you can see, get an idea. Well, I have big shoulders, so with the bigger shoulders, it's like I always have to go up a size when it comes to any of these like the more of like the tighter fit shirts. And as you can see, let me go ahead and do a full 360 so you can get an idea of the fit, right? The shirt that I had on in this video is a Bella Canvas 3301, and it's an extra large. So just to give you an idea. So when these ones do stretch a bit, okay? But it stays, with the Bella Canvas, they stay pretty fit when it comes to the actual t-shirts. Really good quality. One of the most popular t-shirt brands out there when it comes to, you know, creating designs for t-shirts. A lot of people love the style because of the fit and the feel. The next shirt is the navy. This is the organic cotton one. Okay, it says needs more garlic. Get an idea of the fit on this one. This is the 2XL. So just give you an idea of me moving around. All right, so get an idea of the fit. This is more not as fitted as the Bella Canvas 3301. This is more of a, you can see right there on the sides, it's a little bit more looser, but the thickness of it, if you like, so certain people like certain shirts, right? Certain people are really picky with their shirts. And I know people that will love this shirt, and I know people that will love the Bella Canvas shirt. So it all depends on that personal preference on that individual, because at the end of the day, it's like I said, it's a personal preference. So this shirt is pretty cool too now. This one's pretty cool too. It's a nice little looser fit, but it does feel good on the skin. Okay, I'm like rubbing it on the skin. It does feel good. It's a looser, not like a more fitted t-shirt. This is more of a looser fit, so give you an idea. All right, this is the Dog Mom t-shirt on. Okay, so you can get an idea of how the fit looks on right here. So this is the front of it. No, this is the classic women's crew neck. This is the Gildan 64,000. Okay, this is one of the best sellers on Gelato.com. And if you look on the front, it says Dog Mom, the dog paws right there. You see like the kind of like the gap between the neck and like the collarbone area, or the little crew neck area, right? So that's the front. I'm going to go ahead and turn around, do like a full 360. So go ahead and turn to the side, get an idea from the side, right? See the fit from the side right there, give you an idea. Go ahead, keep going, turning to the back side, right? Okay, you can see the shoulders, how it fits there, and then go back all the way around. Go ahead, keep turning. All right, pretty cool. Okay, so that is the classic women's crew neck t-shirt, Gildan 64,000 L. That's the dark gray. All right, this t-shirt is the ultra cotton unisex crew neck. This is a Gildan 2000 style. Okay, and this is the Metro blue. And on the t-shirt design, it's for luck with the rabbit. Remember the rabbit, the little keychain of a human foot, you know, kind of how humans use the rabbit foot as good luck. The rabbit's doing the same thing with the human foot. So kind of get that funny little pun right there. And that's a front. This one's a little bit more of a looser fit, more of a comfortable fit, right? Which is really cool because some people, they don't want to wear those tight shirts all the time. They want to wear more of a looser fit. So go ahead in the front. We're going to go ahead and do a 360 view to get an idea of the whole fit itself. See the shoulders, the neck, the front end of it. Come back a little bit more so they can see. There you go. Spin it around. And you can see like the front has a little bit of a more like a loose right there on the front. Right there, it's not so tight. So, and that's a medium size. Now, I've done a video on this t-shirt right here. It says Biggie the Bulldog. I created that design. That is 4 different pictures of our English Bulldog Biggie. He's a really awesome English Bulldog, very cool, very protective, listens. He listens, and he has his ups and downs like any other dog, right? But this t-shirt right here has been washed 4 times, and it's actually been dried on accident 1 time. So I just wanted to show you after the 4th wash, you know, how the actual shirt is holding up. This is a big question that I always get in the community when it comes to print on demand is how is the shirt after its first wash? Now we're on its 4th wash, okay? And this is a good video. This is some good content inside this video to give you an idea because we're on the 4th wash and it's still looking pretty good. So go ahead and spin around on that one. Go ahead. All right, so you get an idea of how the t-shirt is. And I'll have the link up above for the actual full review on this actual t-shirt, but just wanted to give you an update on after the 4th wash how it looks. And then maybe I can get Biggie to come over here and say hi to you guys. Biggie's here. This is Biggie. Go ahead, sit, no, sit, stay. Give me your paw, good boy. And that's Biggie. He's 4 years old. And he's a protector, he's a listener, he doesn't listen sometimes. He has a good personality overall though. Good buddy, good boy. He has to go for his walk right now in a bit. Huh, buddy? Say hi, Biggie. He loves pizza, French fries, and pretty much everything that he cannot have. So, but other than that, he eats pretty good, good boy. Feed him really good, he's really healthy. So hi. If you want to watch the full video review on this Biggie, That's My Boy t-shirt, watch this video right here next. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. And thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it.